Hi, we're here in Wyoming in my living room, and I'm going to read cards for Scorpio. I'm just going to do a three card shuffle, and it's for your past, your present, and your future. So we'll see what the universe has to say to the Scorpios. Since that's what I am, and that's my favorite sign, I'm going to start with that. If I can figure out how to do this camera. Alright, there's two. We always go three. It sounds lovely crystals. I have to figure out something else. I love crystals. Alright. Whoa! Dang it! Yeah, this one's going to get that one. But we'll try. Ah. Okay, stay right there. Alright. We got to cut them 3 times. And then we're going to put a card from our past, which is, oh my gosh, I'm not wearing my glasses, King of Wands. Yeah, this is not going to work. Our present is 10 of Cups, and our future is 10 of Swords. Okay, our past is, I gotta get my glasses. I can't see. Where are they? Oh my gosh. Right, this is just, I'm gonna get better than this. Where's my glasses? Oh, I need to get better than this. Alright, here we go. Alright. 5 of Swords. That's our past. I think you need to have somebody hold this cat. That's what I think. I think you need somebody to hold it. I don't know. Alright. Your past is 5 of Swords, Scorpio. Let's see what it says. In your past, it says in our past we've been beat up, and we're just waiting for the final blow before our blood spills everywhere. We always see storm clouds brewing, and the rest of the fertile land and landscape appear without hope. So in the past, we just haven't had much hope. For some reason, somebody's been really cruel to us, and just mean, self-afflicted or wished upon someone by another. The cruelty is, however, mental rather than physical, and is more indicative of one who is being mentally and emotionally drained or misused by another, than representing any form of physical attack. This sounds like me. I've been having a heck of a time with my husband, and he's pretty mentally abusive. I don't know if anybody else can relate to that, but boy, I sure can. They're just ruthless and mean. They don't care what they sacrifice. They don't really care. Don't care it's unnecessary or unwanted. They're just mean. Yeah, that's bad. Yeah. It's kind of it's saying that it's pretty much hopeless. And there's no point in us doing this crap anymore. Because they're just going to get meaner and meaner. And it's reversed, so it says that this person that is doing that to us, Scorpios, is very, very, he thinks he's wonderful. And he likes to prey on weaker people. He thinks he's just that great, that he's so much better than everybody else, that he can just treat anybody like he wants. At first he's all right, you know, and he gets you to like him, but then he throws the hammer down, and he is just cruel. And he likes it. He thinks it's great, a victory. He's like, yeah, I'm hurting this person. I think it's wonderful. Yeah, he just likes to cause hate and discontent wherever he goes. So this guy needs to go. We need to go. Get rid of him. Let's see what the present has for us. 10 of Cups. Let's see. My daughter just gave me these cards, so I'm not real familiar with them. Okay, right now, someone is trying to help us out. They have love. They have emotion, which this guy doesn't. Money. They're pure. And they're just pretty much the opposite of what we've been going through. Because these people are just, they love. And this person right here, he just likes to destroy people in his path. He thinks the more the merrier. The more he can get, the better he feels. It makes me sad because it is kind of, I can really get into it. And it says right now, for us Scorpios, and this is true, I don't know about anybody else but me, I've lost a lot of friends, family members, people close to my heart, opposition or differences of opinion with those you love, petty family disputes and quarrels which you'd rather were not there, angry, discarded, or unhappiness which lowers resistance to sickness. I don't know about you guys, but I've been pretty sick with this bad person. So I'd love it if I could find this guy right here, or this person. It doesn't have to be a guy. You know, it could be a friend that just has a pure heart and just wants to be your friend and be nice to you. I don't know if anybody should know how to do that, because we've been being treated so badly for so long. Let's see what the future has for us. 10 of Swords. Let's hope it's good. 10 of Swords. Okay. The future says... that really is kind of sad. Somehow, this person right here, right now, we're not ready for him to come in and help us, because we're gonna just continue to bleed and let him walk all over us and try and do whatever we can to make him happy. And it's gonna be horrible. Somehow we've got to figure out how to get away from this person. Yeah, it says this guy's just gonna mentally, you're going to be dead inside. Your mental abilities and responsibilities, everything, and nothing's going to matter because you're just so hurt and you're so mixed up. And this guy just keeps boom, 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 stabbing you. Yeah. It says you're pretty much living a living death. Your life has no joy, no fun, no friends. It's just a very, very sad place to be. And after so many years of this guy, yeah, you're pretty much drained, you know? And for some reason, I don't know why, we're not going to accept this person's help. We're just going to keep letting this guy kill us. Oh, grief and sorrow at wrong decisions may have taken over. That's for sure. Okay, the positive part of it says past failures bring, oh, this isn't good either, bring desolation, grief and sorrow, ruin, pain, afflictions, and sadness for the dreams of what might have been, but failed to materialize. I don't know about you guys, but I can relate. I've been in a bad relationship for a long time, and that guy is making me crazy and taking all my life. Let's see if there's any hope for us in this one. In the Ten of Swords. See if there's something we can do to get out of it. Or you know, see if it's going to get any better. I hope so. I don't like those cards at all. Boy, they can be really, really charming, and then you close the doors and back to hate and discontent. It's really sad. Whoa! What are those two? Let's see. Oh, we got 3. Okay, 5 of Cups, 9 of Swords, and the Hangman. I'm not sure. Okay, let's see if the 5 of Cups is going to help us out of this horrible relationship we're in. Let's see. It's not reversed, it's reversed. Dang it. Okay, this one, a woman, and it's reversed, is going to be offering us something, and it's gonna be good, but we're so doomy and gloomy and sad and beaten up that we don't see it. We just look over it and just, we're still in that hopeless part, which is really sad. Yeah, it just says, whoever this woman is, she's going to offer us hope, and we're not going to see it because we're too broken. So maybe we better keep our eyes open, because it just doesn't sound good at all. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is so true. We're going to have friendships without meaning, marriages without love, flaws in our relationships, the loss of someone loved, hobbies or dreams which are beyond reach at this time. Dang it. Pretty much, this reading sucks. It doesn't give us any hope. It's like, I don't want to finish it. Okay, let's see what this 9 of Swords reversed, if they got any hope for us. Because we're pretty stupid right now. We're not even looking at anybody that's like, this person's a nice one. She's nice. But we're still looking at this dummy. Alright. Let's hope this one has something for us. Oh my gosh. I don't know. It sounds like this guy is still this creep over here, but he's just tired. And he's probably getting old, and he's beat up, and he just wants to rest for a while. So he might leave us alone for a little while, but he's still there. Let's hope this one, the Hangman, which I don't have very high hopes for the Hangman, but let's hope. Alright, let's see what he's going to do. I'm sorry I have to read these, but I don't know them quite. My daughter just got them for me for my birthday. It says that this guy right here, he might save us. Or it's this guy come to his senses, but I don't think so. I think this guy's just a jerk. And that's, I'm giving him some credit. Yeah, he sounds like he'd be a really good one. I don't think he's him or him. I think he's a different person. Because he's at peace with himself. It's okay. Oh, good. This guy's going to help us out of this. He's going to give us some new ideas and beliefs. And he'll show self-sacrificing for us. Emotional fulfillment through physical sacrifice. This guy's going to make us a little bit happy. So there's some hope. I don't know. Okay, that's all I have today. Thanks. Bye.